the level, this is how low we have sunk as a country. NPP is busy fighting internally. And now we no be on the life. No a chunk for better. Or be quite to on the life. When in perfect life no was no. And your NPP for one was and this for also. And so bet NPP internal politics. Don't we have any shame? Very any shock akra. Young one what problem? NPP for one and no more internal problems. Anna. What is that? And then the way I can say, and not the way I can say, and Obia can be. Okwaka say can I say ya? I can't support it because I about me supporters. What can I say? Obia would do Obiaka. But enough is enough. We have gotten to a point. I see a cat and say, you see why you be a year tasso, you can see why you be at waso. I see a ready see a papa, Mr. Baby and the mama, and then Crawford, the guy echo. Yet to Cromo and the Kufad, the Casa Kufad, are so arrogant to the stand, or probably not Nakonya to the came, and then run the other Kotako, after stuffing Chad Yakosio, and nobody is talking about the media is quiet. Run the Abbey or the Coco board and knock a cat. Or what for Nakonya, or put one for plastic chair, or for Nakonya the alcohol. These are some of the things that needs our attention, but we are too focused on NPP internal issues. Nobody said Alanche Martin. Or be on Pawan Lanche Martin if you party. It will be to me so I can't just say, Yakofa Lanche Martin. If Alanche Martin is ready to come back, let him come on his own. And yet, thank you, Tom. And Yakofa Lanche Martin. No, we Kennedy supporters. I have one question to ask. One question, and I'm maybe some. Maybe some second year post and your prime minister for Thomas Kennedy as say Kim. Policies when I can Japan de ban the Benjamin campaign Yamano. I get track record and a Kennedy a war. I Benjamin campaign Yamano. I have put forward about me legacy where I Benjamin so and your campaign Yama Kennedy. I put forward and Baumia's legacy. It is what we are going to use to campaign for Kennedy. So that your friend is saying, delegates go and bring Kennedy. It is in the Maya Magis and mobile rubbish, mobile tenets here, and your Jaya Baumiano, a word to a wise is enough. Munina Musians and I did the United. Monsier, let me tell you point blank. May I have always loved NPP and me NPP. Ken Ebebako, Baumia Bebako. There was once a Lancash, a reaction on a Kufuado by, and then often in a Kufuado, I bet Yenny Diago echo. Baumia Baumia Bayani Diaco. There will still be NPP. So we should act as such. Yeah, after said that, these two personalities, they are not bigger than NPP. NPP is bigger than Kennedy Japan. NPP is bigger than Baumia. So the moment I better say what to, they're better for us. Me pamocho, yeah, fancy it to say Kennedy Japan. He doesn't have any legacy. Kennedy Japan, he doesn't have any legacy. So be a philanthropist or be a philanthropist, China. It's one way I can support us, and or a philanthropist. Me pacho, to whom much is given, much is expected. I am what can say a philanthropist. One cut the number of contracts on any you don't want people. One fans so. I said to whom I say what want to start before I said, could not be to us here. To whom much is given, much is expected. What Mr. said, contract don't was saying, and a Kufuado, Kennedy Japan, and then they didn't want NPP. And second, NPP power, Papa, and can you pass on the bench about your Papa and Dego, SNPP for Jessica and Chia, a friend of work as a cat. Eh, yes, as Japan one I told the other. And I have philanthropist, young man. It's your mother to man, a philanthropist, our prime minister. What did they Ghana for my dear Macans or a philanthropist? Where be a Juma? Like a Japan, Juman, who will be an employee Ghana for you now. One me and you swat Jane, Mummy and you see I play a team, Nayajano, and ya. If you don't have anything sensible to campaign for, we can any sensible policy be. I'm a bit so their campaign in Japan. You people should shut up. Because I the same Baumia and the Kufuado legacy no mutato one and then the Benjamin so campaign the Yamaka in Japan. It's about for some next year and your Jaya Baumia there, then they will come back to bite you in your ass. Yes, yeah, Obenyan Seni. You put the bed and can asem me say Canada port or may ye be Bia or Ghana ha Canada port or may ye minister that Eti only any legacy. Can Japan only any legacy a bejana so their campaign man. The only legacy a bejana so their campaign man can Japan. A legacy of Ekufuado and Baumia. It is a way a can supporter. Now me say, oh degrade Baumia, and now what's in that year? And ya catch the Jari Baumia. Let me tell you something. At the end of the day, yes, uncle for a legacy Baumia Corona, the eager to Kuno Kofa no, the credit score system, no, and when you bet just like a campaign Yamakan Japan. It's war ya dear, yes, a drain who, Nanya Dabet to a butcher so from, and a perfume goo. I know Mobi Ajuna Jada Mutimusasana. What that's for life? When you say life, I was when this before I summa. Now what NPP as summer bedroom, now would you be at them? And the Mundi want to discuss internal politics. When the enemy Tifiana Abusia as Asamba Abusia, neither Bonsino, because you don't know how to keep quiet. You don't know where to discuss family issues. I don't know what problem. Is it NPP pet and what problem, Anna? Are you people not tired? And they say no china say and they say no china say Mumisa was a Canadian upon the constituency. What's now so for 24 years was he able to secure that constituency for your first NPP? Are you people not ashamed? Canadian constituency, he was an MP for 24 years. He could not even secure that single seat for NPP. And you people have the nerve to tell us about Miyako once, and your friend is saying he failed, so we shouldn't take him again. Canada was for 24 years.
Mesho bra from Kakra Naija. Time ko wa ha yen fa kesu bi nka ho na mo ato aso why.
But I say some for ye. Maybe say I want to say ni seat back up panel. What's now so for 24 years? Why didn't he secure that seat for NPP? Or free to NDC no you're Muslim. And the really is our seat no. Mebwa. Shameless bunch of people.
Calm down, bra from Kakra na no msu bra why. Bajo.
Never told to come on me. And was a fool.
Ode me ba
akya macho. Now would ba me time say bisa ho say Kenya Japan the seat no. Ba me by your friends a candidate for just 2 years. Kenya Japan the seat na no what so as MP no. Ot now so for 24 years. Or see form no. And this if one fire this in na of fire no so no. Or say a Muslim. You people are shameless. Shut up. One come on to. Na mo prerodo. Na Kenya Japan oba e the same ba me policies na dey be campaign yama no. Pastor
Musa Muyes and Georgia Jimmy Network. Muyes and Georgia Jimmy Network. Muyes.
We're freezing our Casano, we're freezing.
Aziz and so what and so would choose no pampa. Would see me as a cop.